Ever wondered how to manage purchases in our ERP Engonus? This ingenious feature is a game changer, simplifying the purchase process and boosting your business efficiency. Under the Purchase option, you'll find 3 submenus: Purchase List, Add Purchase, and Import Purchases with CSV. Each one is designed to make your life easier, whether you're dealing with a single purchase or managing a bulk order. So, let's dive in to understand each of these features in detail. Starting with the Purchase List, it's your window into all the purchased orders. This comprehensive overview gives you a bird's-eye view of the entire purchase process within ERP Engonus. Here, you'll find a wealth of information at your fingertips. You can see the status of each purchase, the amount paid, and the amount still due. You'll also find crucial details about the supplier and the date of purchase. It's like having a personal assistant keeping track of all your purchases. But that's not all. In the top left corner, there's an option to add a new purchase. Here, you can fill out all the required fields to create a new purchase, making it a breeze to keep your purchase list up to date. Remember, to create a purchase, we must have a supplier and a product assigned to that supplier. So let's dive in and explore the world of purchases in ERP Engonus. Now, let's move on to adding a new purchase. As we delve deeper into the purchase section of our ERP Engonus, we come across the option to add a new purchase. This process begins by selecting a supplier. But remember, you can't create a purchase without having a supplier pre-configured. Once we have our supplier, we then turn our attention to the product details. As we start typing in the first few digits of the product reference, a filtered list of the products will appear. It's worth mentioning the product must be pre-assigned to a supplier before making the purchase. Each purchase must also be linked to a position or warehouse, ensuring an orderly inventory management. On the right, we have options to edit the purchase, add payments, and view the financial status, a nifty way to manage payments and monitor your purchase's financial health. Once created, your new purchase will appear on the main screen of the purchase section. Finally, if you have a large volume of products, you'll love our Import Purchases with CSV feature. This feature is a handy tool that allows you to import purchases directly from a CSV file provided by your supplier. No more manual data entry, just a simple upload, and your products are in the system. Now, to make things even easier for you, we've provided a downloadable template. This template will guide you in setting up your CSV file correctly, ensuring a smooth and error-free import. But don't forget, before importing, it's crucial to have your necessary parameters predefined. These include things like the warehouses, types of taxes, and more. Having these in place will ensure a seamless import process. This feature is not just about convenience, it's about efficiency. It's designed to save you time and effort, especially if you're dealing with large volumes of products. So, take advantage of it and streamline your purchase management process. This feature is a great time saver for those dealing with large volumes of products. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We've navigated through the purchase list, revealing essential details like order status, payments, and suppliers. We've learned how to add a new purchase, remembering that suppliers and products must be pre-configured. We've also discovered how to import purchases using CSV, a game changer for those handling large volumes of products. With ERP Engonus, managing your purchases becomes more efficient and orderly,